Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is my Volkswagen Transporter T4 van. Over here, the little side light is working fine. Difficult to see with the lens, but you can see the light in it. It's orangey. Over on the other side, there is nothing. So somewhere in behind here, I can see two separate clips here. If I look down, you can see one white one there, this one here, and then over here, further down you can see another one. So it's one of those two, I suspect. So down on the side of the lamp, so that's the lamp on the front, at the back, there's this little thing with metal tabs on it. You pull the tabs together, squeeze them together even, and then wiggle that off, and that's a clip with two cables. And then underneath there's a lamp holder, a bulb holder, and you twist that through about a few degrees anti-clockwise, and then it lifts out. And so you can see that bulb's a bit dead. So it's a bayonet fitting, so it just twists out in my hand. 4 watt, 12 volt, so 4 watt bulb. So as luck would have it, I happen to have a spare bulb. So if you do this with one hand, push it in, and give it a twist, and that's it. And then in here, upside down, the lamp into the slot. Give it, it only seems to go one way, and then give it a twist through about 45 degrees or 30 degrees, something like that, and then the holder, the cable clip, just snaps on top. And at that point we should be able to see if we've got light coming through the bulb. Just snaps on there. Yeah, there it is. Excellent. Okay, so I've got light on both sides again, and that's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. See you later.